Eric Fehr hoisted the Stanley Cup in victory after his team, the Pittsburgh Penguins, defeated the San Jose Sharks in the Stanley Cup Finals. Many Winklerites and Southern Manitobans were glued to their television sets the past weeks as they cheered Eric on. This marks the third time in 9 years that a Winkler native has won the Stanley Cup. Dustin Penner brought it home to Southern Manitoba in 2007 with the Ducks and again in 2012 with the LA Kings. What a record, Mr. Speaker. Clearly there's something very special in the water in the city of Winkler. During these playoffs, Eric truly became Winkler's son, as the city rallied around the boy who grew up playing hockey on the pond of the family farm. I'm sure his parents, Frank and Helen Fehr, only dared to dream that their son would one day not only play in the NHL, but win the Cup. So congratulations, Eric. All of Portage Lisgar, but especially the city of Winkler, is very proud of you.
Bravo.